If you're experiencing excessive shedding or you think your hair is not growing, video is for you. So I'll be showing this hair growth spray with just 2 ingredients using black seed and oregano seeds. If you've been on this page, I show simple recipes for hair growth that you can do at home, and most of the times the ingredients are right available in your kitchen. Guys, my name is Lydia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are using black seeds and oregano seeds. Black seeds is well known as an Indian herb. Yes, it's really used to revive hair follicles. If you have hair follicles or dormant hair follicles, using black seed either as an oil or spray is going to effectively help you regrow your bald spots or regrow your hair. I added some bits of oregano leaves. Oregano is also a spice that you can use. It can be taken inwards. It can be made into a tea and drunk, like you drink it as a tea. But in this video, we are making it as a scalp spray. So when you have all your ingredients together, you add in your hot water. Hot water is what is going to help infuse the herbs together, because it's the infusion that we'll be using. The water that we get from it, the residue that we get that we'll be using here. So it's important to add hot water. You can add cold water, but it means you have to leave it down for a long time. But adding hot water is what makes the process very quick. Once you leave it to sit down for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how hot your water is, you can strain it now. Straining it is compulsory. If you don't strain it, you are going to have all these residue. You can't use it without straining it. You cannot use it without straining it, unless maybe your spray bottle automatically strains it before you spray it on your scalp. So when you are done, as you can see, I transferred it into my spray bottle I'll be using. It's important to use this consistently. I will not stop emphasizing on how consistency is important in hair care. So once you are done spraying it, putting it in your spray bottle, it's ready to be used. Once it's done, you are ready to use. So I'm using this to moisturize my hair. This is my hair, like my natural hair. And as I said earlier, consistency is important. If you just come back from where you just spray it on your scalp and then give yourself a good massage, follow up with an oil because it's important. Yes, but because of for the sake of this video, that's why I sat down to give you that ethics of it. But then I don't do all these aesthetics when I am doing it on a regular basis. So in application, please do well to apply to part of your hair that you need them tackled. For example, if you have a bald spot on your scalp and you want it to be tackled, please apply it to that bald spot that you want to be tackled. And once you do that consistently, you start seeing great progress. I've had people give me testimonies, and I can bear witness to it that it actually works, especially if you follow up with hair growth oil. And also, if you do well to massage it well, you're going to be very impressed. Yes, guys, if you want your natural hair to grow, it's important to have a technique. Like if you have a technique, if you have a strategy, you are going to be impressed. You know that natural hair is not really that big. Like it's not a big deal like that. You just have to have a technique and be consistent with whatever technique you decide to follow up. Guys, so I'll be using hair cream for this. It's not like hair oil. I usually use hair oil, but then in this video I'll be using hair cream for this. It's like hair grease, herbs infused hair grease for this video. Do well to give yourself a good massage, and do well to follow up with something to keep the moisture. So this is the hair grease I'll be using. I just smear it into my hands, and because my hair is already moist, I just randomly put it throughout the hair. If I want to moisturize the hair singularly, take it one by one, down 1, 2, I can do it. But if you don't have the luxury of time, this is also very good. It also keeps the hair very moisturized. If you are someone who wears wigs a lot like me, because I have to go to work and all that, please do well to do this often, because our wigs tend to absorb a lot of moisture in our hair. So if you're able to do this often, you'll realize that your hair is going to be very moisturized, even though you are in wigs. Yes. So guys, this is me moisturizing my hair with with black seed and oregano seed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from it. Do well to subscribe to the channel if you are new. I'll see you in my next videos. In my next videos, I'll be focusing more on hair mask and also onion juice treatment for my sister. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Lydia once again. If you're new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Till next time, bye.